Welcome back. Well, it was a busy one across the area this morning as expected. Soaking rains and storms. They were quite strong. A little severe weather here and there, but fortunately we dodged that bullet as we thought the storms would be weakening as they moved through Louisiana, and that's exactly what they did. So this is what it looked like on satellite imagery. We'll get over to the Key Well and show you what was going on. And this is kind of the beginning of the season of what we call the mesoconvective complex season, where you have little disturbances coming in, but enough to get storms going, enough cold air aloft and instability, and that's what we saw. And this was the tail end of that big frontal boundary that produced all the tornadoes during the course of the weekend from Oklahoma all the way up through Iowa. You'll see more on that coming up a little bit later on in this show. Weather-wise, it was all being generated by this weak disturbance that's now by Atlanta. Still some lingering showers offshore, but this is what we're left with, a little bit of a wavy zonal flow from west to east. And what we'll see later this week after tomorrow, a little disturbance coming in here, maybe Wednesday. That's Wednesday disturbance. Then another one is going to follow behind into Thursday and more so into Friday. But by the weekend, ridge of high pressure is going to start to dominate and knock down our rain chances and allow for hotter temperatures. Yes, we're using the word hot because there's 90s down the road. In the near term, you can see the clouds clearing out during the course of this evening. And with clear skies and light winds, we got to make the argument for some patchy areas of fog first thing tomorrow morning. Regional Doppler radars, ground clutter inland, showers and storms still well offshore and south of Mobile, pushing off to the east. But let's back it up over the 24-hour period so you can see that squall line as it moved in. It became fractured, kind of fell apart. And once that happens, we kind of knew that we'd see more rain. We were going for 1 to 3 inches of rain, and most of us wound up with 2 to 4. And again, a few isolated sporadic spots of wind damage in around the Cade area up toward Alexandria, Pineville, and the Ball area. And look at all the wind and tornado reports leading up to what moved through Louisiana, and you can see it was a lot less busy, and that was certainly the good news across the area. Still some river issues. As I mentioned earlier, I thought the Vermilion River warning would be dropped, and it has, because it's not reaching 10 feet, but rivers in flood stage across portions of eastern Texas and the Sabine, the Calcasieu, portions of the Calcasieu as well. As for rainfall, these are Doppler estimates. It's not ground truth, but most of us wound up with about 2 to 4 inches of rain. You can see much higher amounts, 3 to 6 inches or more. And you get into these 10-inch rainfalls, there may be some hail contamination. That's why the computer thinks that there was a lot of rain there. But nonetheless, upwards of 6, 7, 8 inches of rain falling in some spots across the region. I had 3 inches at my house on the south side of town, officially 2 only out at the airport. So it was a lot of variation, but lesser amounts as you went farther south and east. So as we move forward to tomorrow, some areas of fog first thing in the morning, low to mid 60s. Enjoy it because we won't see that again anytime soon. Mid to upper 80s a high, upper 60s, lower 70s for tomorrow night. And going into Wednesday, here comes that one disturbance that may generate some showers and storms. Then here comes another one Thursday, but it kind of falls apart, makes it a difficult forecast. So we got to keep some rain chances in the forecast for sure. Overnight tonight, low to mid 60s. Enjoy that. Tomorrow back into the middle 80s. Only issue tonight will be the patchy fog first thing tomorrow morning, but it'll burn off quickly with the sun tomorrow after, well, getting into tomorrow mid-morning by sure. So 60 to 62, the overnight low, that's going to feel good. So it's refreshing out there, and the air conditioner gets a break after early morning fog, becoming mostly sunny, and it will be a warm one. 86 to 87 for a high, very light winds, no cooling winds from the Gulf of Mexico. So we're warm tomorrow. Close to that again on Wednesday. Rain chances 20, 30, 40% midweek, maybe a little bit higher for Friday. Then we tone them down for the weekend, and then into next week, here comes some 90-degree high temperatures. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up later in the show.